What's up, guys? Today I got the Crosse technology alarm clock. This model number is 602249. It's a pretty basic alarm clock. It tells the temperature, the humidity, gives you the time, and has 2 alarm settings. It has a dimming feature. This is the brightest, that's medium, and that's off. Right now I have it set to auto dim. So what that is if you hold this, you can turn it on or turn it off, and you just use the plus and minus buttons to change that. You can set what time you want it to dim, say 7 p.m. and then for how long you want it to dim. I usually set mine to auto dim when I'm going to bed, and then have it turn back on when it's time for me to wake up. And then you just hold down the set button, and this allows you to change the time. That's the minutes. You can have it set for 12 hours, or you can change it to 24 hours. And then this is how you change the snooze mode to how many minutes. So you can set it to 5. The shortest is 5-minute snooze, and the longest is 60-minute snooze. And then it also has a daylight savings time mode. You just hold that down, and it goes into daylight savings mode, adding another hour, and then you just hold it again, and it goes back another hour. So you have to change the whole time every time it changes. And then these are your alarms. You get alarm 1, alarm 2, or you could have both. And you can turn them off, and then you just hold it, and this is how you set alarm 1 minutes. This is how you set alarm 2. Then you turn 1 on, turn 2 on, turn both on. Yeah, the temperature is pretty accurate to the temperature that's on my thermostat in the house. The humidity is great. There's a spot where you can put a battery in, CR2032. It's like a watch battery, and that will save you if the power goes out. It'll still work. On the side it has a USB charger. It charges at 1 amp. Yeah, overall it's pretty good. I like the look of it. It's sleek, it's curved. It was about $25 at my local supermarket. I highly recommend buying it. Thanks for watching.